Hello everyone. Today we will see how to do sensitivity analysis for multiple variables in Excel. So let's start. Before doing sensitivity analysis, let's complete this income statement with the help of this information. Here we can see unit sold number is given 40,000, price per unit is 10,000, 10, cost per unit is 4, general and administrative expenses 11,000, selling and marketing expenses 12,000, and there is a tax rate given 18%. So let's complete it. Revenue will be units sold into price per unit. Cost of goods sold will be units sold into cost per unit. Gross profit is, we have to deduct this COGS from revenue. It is this one minus this one. General and administrative expense is 10,000. I'm copying this here, and it is 12,000. I'm copying this here. Now, earnings before tax. We have to subtract general these two expenses from gross profit. Now, tax, if there is a earning before tax is a negative number, then there will be no tax. But before this is a because if this is a positive number, in that case there will be a tax at 18%. So how we have to give a formula here? We can, if the value of this cell is more than 0, in that case the value of this cell into 18%, else, that is comma, there will be no tax, closing bracket. I hope you understood the formula. Here I'm telling this again. E11 means this value. If this value is greater than 0, that is a positive number, in that case this value should be multiplied by this percentage, comma, else here we have to give tax of 0. So and uh, to get net profit, this one minus this one. So we have got the net profit. Now, what is sensitivity analysis? Sensitivity analysis is a technique used to determine how different values of an input in a model can impact the model's output. Okay, this is the model here to generate net profit. Here different inputs are used. We have already seen that units sold, price per unit, cost per unit, all these are inputs. Okay, if we change them, then the final outcome will also be changed. These will change. If we these will change, everything will be changed, the model will be changed. Sensitivity analysis is uh, how any input how the change of any input can change the model's output. So here we are doing the sensitivity analysis based on price and quantity. Here we will give different quantity, and here we will give different price, and we will see how this both of these value affects the net income, net profit or loss of this model. So here I am copying this. Just copy this, copy, and you can paste it right here. Don't use this kind of formula, that is equal to, if you give this it will be there. Don't use that. Okay, just copy and paste. If you bring the formula by giving equal sign, it creates some problems. Copy, pasting here. Now I will give some values less than 40,000, maybe is equal to 40,000 minus 5,000, so 35,000. And if I drag across this, it will be 30,000. And here 40,000 plus 5,000, and I'm dragging this till this. So here we can see from 30,000 to 50,000 quantity of sold uh, is given. Now, okay, here let's change the price by 1 and let's increase the price by 1. So here the price will be this one minus 1, so 9. I'm dragging the formula up to this, and here it will be 10 plus 1. I'm dragging across this. So I want to say if the price changes, these are our main data based on for this model, and we want to see if the price decreases or price increases, or if the quantity sold decreases or increases, how our net profit will be changed. And in this place I want to give net profit, this one. Okay, so it is done. Now to complete the sensitivity analysis, I have to select this whole thing, then data, what if analysis, data table. Here, if this in this box, row input cell, give row here, quantity sold is give showing in rows, so quantity should be here. And column input cell, here we can see in the column there is price, so select this, and the price information is here. Click OK. Don't do any mistake in giving row and column properly. So this is the thing. Here we can see how to read this. If the quantity sold is 30,000 but the price is 8,000, this will be the net profit. Okay, here we can see that unit sold is 40,000 and price per unit was 10. So for 40 and 10, uh, this is the point when both of these point meets. I am changing the color, and you can see if the quantity sold is 40,000 and the price is 10, our what was our profit? 177,940. Okay, so this is it. So this is how we can do sensitivity analysis. Here you can see if I, okay, for example this one, if quantity sold is 50,000 and the price is 10, then this will be the net profit. I am giving you another example here. Let's copy this and paste it right here. Let's delete all the output. So these are the quantity sold and these are the price. Here previously we wanted to say what if we change the price, or if we change the quantity sold, what will be the change in net income. Here we want to say what will be the change in gross profit. So for this, let's select, go data menu, what if analysis, data table. In the row, quantity sold is in the row and quantity sold is here, and uh, in the column there is price, so price is here. Okay, in this model we have found gross profit of 240,000 when the quantity unit sold was 40,000 and price per unit was 10. So 40,000 and 10, this was our gross profit. You can see this was our gross profit. So you can see any if you want to see any output, what will be the change of that particular output based on any change of any given input. So this is how you can do it. uh, that's how sensitivity analysis works. I hope the video will be helpful for you. That's all for today. Thank you very much.